Hi guys, it's Gary, and I'm going to show you how to make a rubber band gun. Okay, the things you need are your index finger, your thumb, and a rubber band. Okay, first thing to do, sling the rubber band over your finger, just hanging off like that. Now put your thumb through your tube. You have this little slingshot. Then take another rubber band. This is your ammo, and spin it over. It looks like that. And now, let go. There. And that's a really simple rubber band shooter. Used for Black DIY.